What's up guys, I'm Bad Birdie and this is my cocktail Cooler Than Cool. We have hibiscus in here, rum, mint, and a watermelon ice cube. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. We're going to start off with 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Then we're going to do some fresh lime juice. Let's do 3/4 ounce of that lime juice. A couple dashes of Angostura bitters just to give it this little cinnamon taste to it. Some fresh mint. Go ahead and express that. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Hibiscus Infused Rum. And I did a cup of hibiscus to the full bottle and let that sit for 3 hours. Now we're gonna add some ice. And let's give that a shake. So we're gonna need some sparkling water for this cocktail. And now one of the things I love about the Sodastream is that these are reusable bottles. Bubbles. Now for this cocktail, I made some watermelon ice cube. We're gonna top our drink. Let's go ahead and pour our cocktail. We're gonna top it with some sparkling water. So this is what I love about the Sodastream the most. It's so easy to use and you have perfect bubbles every single time. Let's garnish it with some mint. We're gonna express that around the glass. The cube is really cool because it's gonna keep this cocktail cold. And at the same time, you're gonna be able to eat a boozy watermelon at the very end. And there you have it. This is my cocktail Cooler Than Cool. Great for the summertime. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. We have more videos coming up. I'm Bad Birdie.